Hey you guys, welcome to I Cook and Paint. Today I'm going to share with you one of those ginger bug soda recipes you all love so much. This is something I was just playing around with one day and I call it sunshine soda because it's a punch made from orange, lemon, ginger, and turmeric. And just so you know, it's perfect for when you're painting sunflowers during a heat wave. Now first, you're going to need a ginger bug, and if you don't have one, there's a link underneath this video that will take you to a page on how to make one. Once you get your ginger bug going, you'll be able to make all kinds of lacto fermented sodas that are actually good for you, including this probiotic cola that's made with ingredients you probably have in your kitchen right now. And if you do have a ginger bug, then take it out of your fridge and let it sit out for about an hour before you make the soda so that it gets nice and bubbly. Alright, enough about ginger bug. You came here to learn how to make sunshine soda, so here we go. Start off by adding a little freshly chopped ginger to a pot along with half the amount of water you need for the whole recipe. You'll see why in a sec. To this I'm going to add some turmeric, and then I'm going to take it over to the stove and bring it to a boil. I'm going to put the lid on and start it on high, and as soon as I see that it's boiling, I'm going to reduce the heat and then return the lid and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it off the heat and get yourself 2 oranges and 1 lemon. And you want to take the skins off these, leaving as much of the white pith behind as possible. So only try and take the colored parts off. Usually in a ginger bug soda recipe, you use the skin and the juice. So now I'm going to add some sugar to this as well as the peels and give it a good stir to get all that sugar dissolved. Then put the lid on it and let it steep for another 10 minutes. Now while that steeps, you can get ready to juice your oranges and your lemon, and if you roll them like this, you'll get a little more juice out of them. But first we need to add in the rest of the water. Remember when I only started with half? By adding it in cold now, it'll cool everything down so that when we add in our juice, it's not going to kill all the nutrients. So go ahead and squeeze all that orange juice in there and also the lemon. This is going to make it really nice and tangy. Make sure that this is totally cooled before you add in your ginger bug, and that goes in right now. So I usually give it a little shake, and for every quart of soda you make, you need a 1/4 cup of ginger bug, so add that in. Remember, the mixture has to be cooled completely before you add this. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kinda messed up the recipe here by adding a cup too much of water, which is why my pot looks so full. It was still drinkable, but please do follow the recipe on the blog. So pour this through a strainer to get rid of all the peels and the ginger and everything else, and now it's time to transfer this into bottles to ferment and get bubbly. And for that, you're going to need 2 strong glass bottles with swing top lids. Don't use cheap glass to do this or they can explode. You can also use plastic bottles to do this, but whatever you use, don't fill these more than 2/3 to 3/4 full. While these ferment, the gas is going to build up and it's going to need a place to go, so that's why you do that. So now close them up and put them away in a warm place away from direct sunlight where they can ferment. Now don't forget, we have to refeed the ginger bug if we want to keep it going to make more sodas. So to do that, you just chop up some more ginger, add it in fresh with the skin still on, add in a tablespoon of sugar, top it off with a little bit of water, and that's it. That's how you refeed it. Pretty easy, huh? I always shake it to dissolve all that sugar, and before I put it away, I always loosen the lid because this is a living organism. Just like you and me, it likes to breathe. Kinda like sourdough starter. Now how long your soda will take to ferment will really depend on how warm it is where you are. It was really hot when I made this, so this batch only took 1 day to get bubbly, but sometimes in the winter it can take as long as 7 days. Definitely chill it before you drink it, and with this I did, so here we go. Yep. It's tangy, really lemony. You can't really taste the ginger or the turmeric very much. It's mostly citrus. And that's it, guys. If ginger bug sodas are your thing, or even if you've never tried making a ginger bug soda before, what are you waiting for? Go make yourself a ginger bug and then check out the ginger bug soda playlist on this channel for more healthy lacto fermented soda recipes. Did you enjoy this video? Then let me know by clicking the like button. Better yet, hit your subscribe button along with the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching, happy cooking and painting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.